If you want to restrict or lock certain streaming apps such as Amazon Prime, Netflix, YouTube, or any other games on the Pioneer Xumo TV so that only you can unlock and access them using a PIN or passcode, then here's how you lock any app or game on the Pioneer Xumo TV with just a few taps. To set up app lock on the Xumo TV, first open Settings. Then from the list, find Parental Controls. Then open Viewing Restrictions, and at the very bottom you'll see Lock Apps. Open it, and here you'll find all the apps that's available on your Xumo TV, and you can manually lock apps one by one, or also use the search function to find the app that you want to restrict. So find your desired option or app, then press OK, and in case you don't have parental control set up, you just need to hit continue and create a parental control PIN. You can use your Xumo TV remote's number pad to do it easily. So just confirm your PIN and you'll see you have successfully created a parental control PIN. Now you can go ahead and lock all the apps that you want. After you have set up the app lock, when you try to launch an app that's locked, you'll have to enter the parental control PIN. So now all your apps are safe and secure. And that's all there is to it. So if you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you around.